I need to stop. I've been doing too much, I've been running too fast, I've been testing my luck. I've been living cloud nine, I've been at it all night, I've been feeling so loved. I've been waking up lit, I've been making up shit, I've been spilling my guts. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day, so what? I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life. I need to chill. I've been getting my pill, I've been spreading that sex, I've been spinning my wheels. I've been having my ties, I've been loving bad guys, I've been seeking some thrills. I've been wanting one more than I wanted like four, I've been having some guilt. I've been feeling so blessed, but stressed all day for real. I'm living out my dreams like every night. I love my life. But when I open up my blurry eyes, it's not as nice. I fuck my life.